Hello friends, welcome to the demo of Plan a Wedding CRM tool. In this session, we will explore all its features and benefits, designed to help you streamline your operations and elevate your wedding planning business to the next level. Wedding leads. Explore and purchase leads directly through this feature. This feature allows you to view available leads and access their details before proceeding with the purchase. This feature allows you to purchase wedding leads effortlessly. Simply click the Buy Now button. Once successful completion of payment, the leads will be transferred to the My Leads section. My Leads. This feature enables you to seamlessly manage both purchased leads and your self-sourced leads in one place. Click on My Leads to explore its features. Use the View option in this feature to efficiently manage your leads. This feature enables efficient lead management, allowing you to assign leads to team members, update lead statuses, schedule follow-ups, log meeting details, and more. This feature allows you to effortlessly add your own leads to the CRM tool. To upload your sourced leads, simply fill in the relevant details and submit. The lead will be added to your list for easy management. Calendar. This feature helps you to view all scheduled meetings for you and your team here to ensure no client opportunities are missed. In this feature, all follow-up dates from the My Leads section will be displayed, including both your and your team members' schedules, ensuring you never miss an activity. Wedding news. Stay updated with the latest news and trends in the wedding industry through this feature. This feature keeps you and your team updated with the latest wedding-related news, helping you stay informed and enhancing your client meetings with valuable insights. Add packages. This feature enables you to create personalized packages that will be displayed on the Plan a Wedding platform. Any inquiries generated from these packages will be shared with you for purchase. With this feature, creating a package is quick and easy. Simply select a package from the drop-down, enter the price, choose the included essentials, add a description, and submit. Once approved by Plan a Wedding, it will be displayed on our website. Generate requirement. This feature allows you to generate a requirements list without pricing. Once the client approves the requirements, you can easily share an accurate quote, ensuring a more precise and tailored pricing proposal. The next slide explains how to generate a requirement. In this feature, you can generate requirements. Simply select essentials from the drop-down and add them to the cart. All wedding-related essentials are conveniently available in one place for easy use. Add items. If you'd like to add images/items from your own laptop, simply click the Add button to upload them manually. This option provides flexibility, giving you the best of both worlds. Quotation. This feature helps you to generate and organize client quotations with detailed descriptions along with the prices. To generate a quote, simply enter the wedding essentials with a description, specify the quantity or square footage, input the number of days and price, and upload relevant images. Add to cart. Go to cart. View the cart. Click to submit. Fill the details: name, email, mobile, event date, city. All quotation. This feature helps you to view all quotations, both with and without prices, in one place for better organization and easy access. All quotations in single view. Itinerary. This feature helps you to generate a detailed itinerary with event sequence and team responsibilities, keeping you and your client aligned. Add client's details. Click Submit. View client's details. Click on the I button to generate itinerary. Enter event itinerary. Enter team member or vendor name, add a description of the event and the main essentials covered. Save event itinerary to generate PDF, which can be shared with clients. Download customer PDF. Customer itinerary is ready to be shared. My Folder. This feature allows you to store all your decoration images in one place, making them easily accessible for you and your team during client meetings. Create folders. Click to add folders. Add folder name. Folder created. apply EMI. If your clients need wedding funding, input their details and we'll connect them with our lenders. Input details to check your client eligibility. Find vendors. This feature helps you to find wedding vendor database for easy access and connection will be available here. Wedding vendor directory. List of planners or vendors with their contact details. We hope this CRM tool helps you to enhance your business